In this video, we are going to take a look at creating our project, working with basic materials and creating masks. So let's get started by creating Substance Painter project. I will go to File, New. Make sure that the template is set to PBR Metallic Roughness. For File, we need to hit the Select button and choose the 3D model. Next, we need to set the document resolution. We can change this later if we want. Leave everything else to default and click OK. Substance Painter is loading our file. And here we go. We have our project. Alright. So here we have our project in Substance Painter. As you can see, we have all the materials under texture set list. First we are going to work with metal. So I am selecting it from our list. We need to delete its previous layer and create a new fill layer by clicking this icon here. Change its name. The only attribute we need for this layer are base color and roughness. Now we need to change its color. Now we need to duplicate this layer by right clicking and selecting duplicate. Change the name of second layer. And also its color. Now we need to add black mask on the second layer. For that, right click and add black mask. Now in the next step, we are going to apply smart mask that we can find here. And the one we will be using is Edges Scratched. We have to drag this selected mask to second layer. With this mask selected, I am going to change its values under the Properties Generator menu. Now we need to change its color from white to metallic. Now for the string, I am going to do the same thing. First we need to delete its previous layer, add a new fill layer, change its name and its color. Duplicate this layer, rename it, and change its color. Now with this second layer selected, we need to apply black mask. This time we will be using Soft Dirt as smart mask. We need to change few values here. As for the stitches, we will simply create red color by using fill layer. So just create a new fill layer and change its color as red. For rings, we need to delete its previous layer and create a new fill layer. I am enabling emissive attribute under texture set settings. Now change its color. Enable emissive attribute. We need to choose emissive color and I am going with blue. As for this holder or cloth, I am deleting its previous layer and creating new fill layer. Rename it as a base layer and change its color. Now we need to duplicate this layer and change its color. This will be our emissive layer. Enable emissive attribute. Choose emissive color. We need to add black mask. I am going to use brush to paint this emissive color. So guys, this is our final project. We can change its color and its values as much as we like. With this, we conclude today's tutorial and I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.